How you going, everyone? Welcome back to Sensibility. I took a visit to Peony in, is it Hawthorne? Around that area. Anyway, it's here in Melbourne, Victoria. It's another beautiful boutique that's run by this lovely lady called Jill. Lots to smell, lots of amazing fragrances. I hadn't smelled any Marc-Antoine Barrois or Barris yet. Everyone talks about Ganymede a lot. There's a lot of love-hate. I smelt it, I liked it, but what I loved was Encelade. This was incredible. I only got a 30ml because it's strong. 2 sprays kind of gets you through the day and it does not go away. It is a beautiful fragrance. What can I say? A lot of people say that it smells like nudiflorum. I have nudiflorum, and nudiflorum is a jasmine, a leathery jasmine fragrance that's a bit smoky and woody and spicy as well. I get it slightly in the dry down, but I wouldn't say they're a side by side whatsoever. Encelade is very bitter, fruity, spicy, woody, leathery kind of fragrance. It's something I really enjoy and I really liked, and I kept on going back to it no matter what I smelt. I went back to it and I was just like, yes, yes, yes. They're the type of fragrances that you buy on the spot. I'll give you the real notes down the bottom, and let's do a little unpacking. See, this is what I mean by when they make the boxes a little bit tight, so it adds to the excitement of opening the fragrance, where most people just get annoyed. Okay, we've got a little pamphlet that goes through all of the fragrances. Nice little bag, and here is Encelade. So this is pretty much just a mini version of the big bottle. This will probably last me quite a long time, and I know I like it, so I can buy a big bottle if I want. Light metal cap, plastic inlay. It's a decent glass as well. You can see there's nice heavyweight. The atomizer is exactly as it is on the big bottle. Pressurized as we love. So straight away you just get this huge cloud of this bitter, soury, fruity rhubarb, and then there's this beautiful spicy, woody leather note that just clouds around it. But the rhubarb, like, you really get that sort of like bitter sourness that rhubarb has. But it's just this, it's beautifully fruity. There's a touch of sweetness there, but it's almost like a balanced meal or a balanced dessert or something. It's really, yeah. It's the only way I can pretty much explain this is the senses of sweet, sour, bitter, and all the rest of it are so well balanced in this fragrance. I love it. It's so unique and interesting. And the rhubarb is just such a unique note. And it's a note that actually stands out a lot within this fragrance too. That's why if I sprayed nudiflorum on this hand, you're not getting any of that rhubarb fruitiness in the forefront. You just get the woodsy leather dry down, but you get a jasmine explosion at the start, which is really nice. But this is a masterpiece. I understand why Quentin Biche is very popular with certain fragrances, but I find that some of his are a bit too so bit too safe. But this is amazing. Get Your Nose on It, Encelade by Marc-Antoine Barrois. Awesome. I really want to try, was it B683, the spicy fragrance that he has? That'll be awesome. See you next time.